So with this one, we need to divide. We have n squared plus 11n plus 25 divided by n plus 5. So I will show you both methods. First, I will set up long division. Okay, and we divide our first term. So n squared divided by n will equal n. And then we multiply. So n squared plus 5n. We need to subtract, so we change the signs, and we cancel. 11n minus 5n is 6n, and then we bring down the 25. So then we do 6n divided by n, which is 6. Then we multiply, so 6n plus 30. We need to subtract, so we change both signs. Those will cancel. 25 minus 30 is negative 5, and that will be our remainder. We do it synthetically, so n plus 5 equals 0. Inside the box, we're going to have negative 5, and we write our coefficients. Bring down the first one, multiply by negative 5, you get negative 5, and then you add. 11 plus negative 5 is 6. Multiply by negative 5 will give you a negative 30, and again you add, which will give you a negative 5. This is your remainder, this is your constant, and in this case this is going to be your n to the first. So your solution is going to be n plus 6 minus 5 over n plus 5, which is what we got using long division.